Indoor seed starting can be a rewarding and efficient way to get a head start on your garden. Here are some tips for successful indoor seed starting. Choose the right seeds. Select seeds that are well suited for indoor starting. Some plants like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs thrive indoors. Avoid plants that have deep taproots or don't transplant well. Use quality seed starting mix. Invest in a high-quality seed starting mix that provides good drainage and aeration. Avoid using garden soil as it can contain pests, diseases, and may not be suitable for delicate seedlings. Clean containers. Use clean and sterilized seed trays or containers to prevent the spread of diseases. You can sterilize containers by soaking them in a solution of 1 part bleach to 9 parts water, then rinsing thoroughly. Provide adequate light. Light is crucial for seedling development. If you don't have access to natural sunlight, use grow lights specifically designed for seed starting. Position the lights 2-3 inches above the seedlings and adjust the height as the plants grow. Maintain ideal temperature. Most seeds germinate best at specific temperatures. Use a heating mat or maintain a consistent room temperature to provide the optimal conditions for germination. Water properly. Keep the seed starting mix evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle or a gentle watering can to prevent disturbing the delicate seedlings. Ventilation, proper air circulation prevents mold and mildew growth. Use a small fan on low to gently circulate air around the seedlings. Monitor humidity. Maintain a humid environment for the first few days to promote germination. You can cover the containers with plastic wrap or use a humidity dome until the seedlings emerge. Thin seedlings. Once your seedlings have a couple of true leaves, thin them out to allow adequate space for growth. This prevents overcrowding and competition for nutrients. Fertilize wisely. Seedlings have delicate root systems, so use a diluted, balanced fertilizer when they develop their first true leaves. Gradually increase the strength as they grow. Harden off seedlings before transplanting outdoors. Gradually expose your seedlings to outdoor conditions to acclimate them to the changes in temperature, wind, and sunlight. Timing is everything. Start your seeds at the appropriate time for your climate and the specific plants you are growing. Consult a local gardening calendar or use online resources to determine the best indoor starting dates. Label everything. It's easy to forget which seeds you planted where, so make sure to label each container with the plant name and date of sowing. By following these tips, you'll increase your chances of successful indoor seed starting and have strong, healthy seedlings ready for transplanting when the time is right. Happy gardening!